Good morning. I'm here with a very amazing idea for breakfast, the multigrain dosa. Very healthy, very yummy and great to taste. So we're going to start this multigrain dosa recipe, which I promised you is very simple and easy to make. We are going to take one proportion of water. See, the whole idea of a good dish here, the multigrain dosa, is that the proportions should be right. And I have half a portion of dahi, of curd that is, and we will add one portion of the multigrain dosa batter. Now here, I'm just going to cut open this batter and I'm going to measure it correctly into one portion, one measuring bowl. Please remember that the water and the multigrain batter are both one each and the curd is half a bowl. If your measurements are right, you are truly a good chef. Okay, so I'm just going to mix all this together. The recipe is very simple. It's like A, B, C. It's that simple. So we have it here. I'm just going to mix it up and then I'm going to whisk it with this. After mixing this, I'm just leaving the batter to rest for 3 minutes. That is all. And in the meantime, I'm just going to tidy up my kitchen table because I'm basically a very neat person. So while the batter is resting, we have another 2 minutes to go. My sambar is ready, my chutney is ready. The batter is resting, the pan is here, the oil is here. So bingo, it's just going to be 2 minutes and I will have a smoking hot multigrain dosa for a lovely breakfast. I'm going to switch on the gas now. Let the pan heat up a little. I'm going to put a wee bit of oil so that my dosa doesn't stick here. Make sure the pan is not too hot because the batter sticks to the pan then. Okay, here we go. Just going to spread it on the tawa. You know, the batter of the multigrain is different from the normal rice batter, because it has a mixture of grains. While the normal dosa is basically the main ingredient is rice, but this one's far more healthier because it has barley, ragi and oats. I'm just greasing it a little bit so that I can toss it. Some people like their dosas, you know, one side cooked, but I like to flip it over because I like really crispy dosa, which has a crunch. You know, I learned to make the nariyal chutney from my mom when I was a kid because I used to love dosas and idlis and we used to normally have them for our Sunday breakfast. So I learned it when I was a kid and trust me, today also I love nariyal chutney with all the South Indian food that I cook. I'm just going to get my platter. Here it goes. You know, serve it with sambar and chutney. Because the multigrain dosa is so healthy, has the goodness of so many grains together, that's why we call it the multigrain. I am so truly proud of myself for being such a smart mom and a much smarter cook because I'm going to serve multigrain dosa to my whole family. So here it is, do the multigrain dosa.